Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we show faculty how to add descriptions to modules. Let's get started. In a D2L course, go to the Content tab in the course navbar. If we have not already created a module, do so now. Otherwise, go to a module we are interested in providing a description for. Find and click on Add a Description. When we do, the screen will update with a text box. Here we have the ability to edit text, insert course material like videos, add images, and more. Additional tools for editing text can be found by clicking on the three horizontal dots. Once we have added our description to the module, click on Update. When we do, we will see a banner at the bottom of the page informing us that the description has been updated. Note that if we reload the page before hitting Update, we will need to redo the module description. To edit the description, we just need to click on the description text. From there, the text box and text editor tools will reappear along with the description. We can follow similar steps to add a description to a submodule. However, for the submodule, we need to click on it in the left sidebar. The option to add a description will not appear in the main module. Once we add a description, it will appear underneath the submodule's title when we view it from the main module. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.